select the Admin panel from the left menu bar, go to the Reports section. The first thing you'll see here is how much time all of your users have been spending taking courses, watching videos, and performing lab exercises. On the right are all the new skills your team members are learning. Scroll down to see your full list of users, how many assignments they've completed, and how much time each of them has spent learning. Scroll down to see a graph that tells you how much time your teams have been spending on different learning paths. The next sections shows a graph displaying the most popular courses taken by your team. The last graph on this page shows what skills your team has spent the most time learning. This should help you understand what your team's blind spots are in terms of skills and accordingly assign relevant courses. Back at the top of the page, click on the drop-down menu. To view reports for individual users, select the Users option. You'll find the full list of users here. For more info on specific users' activity, click on Detailed View. This section shows you how much time that user has spent learning every day of the last year. The darker the box, the better. Scroll down to view courses the user is currently taking and their progress. You can also see the courses they've completed so far. The last section shows you all the assignments the user is currently working on and their completed assignments. Finally, let's take a quick look at team reports. Click on the drop-down at the top of the page. You'll remember the first graph, which shows you the time each team has spent on different learning paths. The next section shows you how much progress each team has made in learning on AppSecEngineer. The detailed view here is identical to what you'll see in the Users page, but aimed at teams instead of individuals. You can see daily activity, active courses, and active assignments. Don't forget to download AppSecEngineer reports in CSV format if you want to import that data into your company's systems.